Hello, this is your Congressman Michael Burgess. As you know, the Affordable Care Act is not living up to its promises. Enrollment numbers are low, health insurance premiums are dramatically higher, families are uncertain if they're actually insured. Since the Affordable Care Act became law, the Energy and Commerce Committee has worked to understand the process of its execution. Gary Cohen, who led the implementation of the insurance provisions under the Affordable Care Act, testified before the committee last April and last September. He assured us that the implementation of the President's health care law was on track and ready to go live on time. During this ongoing display of the failure of the federally health care run website, Americans have rightfully asked a lot of questions. One of the most common is, who was in charge of this mess? And who will be held responsible? Most of the people involved in the website's construction have reported that seemingly no one was in charge and that this lack of leadership was the main reason for the failure of the project. What most of the contractor accounts leave out is there is someone who was supposed to be in charge. That person is Gary Cohen. Yesterday, Mr. Cohen testified again before the Energy and Commerce Subcommittee on Oversight and Investigations. He admitted that the payment features for healthcare.gov are still being built. This revelation comes 100 days after the website went live. This is a fundamental component to accessing health insurance, and Mr. Cohen was unable to provide an estimated timeline for its completion. Last November, I called for Mr. Cohen's resignation. He has been one of the most visible officials who aided in the failure of the President's health care law, and yet he has not been held accountable. He should resign for the mistakes he has made. Otherwise, he's no respect for Congress, certainly no respect for the President, and most of all, he has no respect for the American people. Thank you for taking the time to listen. For more information about legislation before the United States Congress, please visit my website, burgess.house.gov. May God bless you and your family. May you have a prosperous and safe new year, and as always, may God bless Texas.